The eye. The eye is a The eye is a The eye. The eye is a complex organ that provides the sense of sight. The eyeball has a tough outer coat called the sclera, which forms the white part of the eye. The circular, most forward part of the eye is called the cornea. The cornea is transparent. Behind the cornea is a fluid-filled space called the aqueous humor, watery fluid. Moving further back, there is the colored part of the eye called the iris, with a black hole in its center called the pupil. The iris changes the size of the pupil in response to changes in brightness. Directly behind the iris is the lens. The lens changes shape to help focus the light rays entering the eye. But surprisingly, most of the focusing of light rays is done by the cornea. The main body of the eye behind the lens is filled with a clear gel called the vitreous humor. At the very back of the eye is the retina. The light rays fall on the retina, which converts those light rays into signals that are processed by the brain, allowing us to see. The eyeball itself is moved by 6 delicate muscles called the ocular muscles. 4 of these muscles are shown in the 3D model above. The eye is a